So Commission Gorilla is a software system that basically gives you the ability to run all of your bonus promotions through this software. So you can run your affiliate marketing promotions, you can run your bridge page promotions if you want to use this to bridge the gap between an offer in Facebook. So traffic comes from Facebook, they see your bridge page, they get information about this, they see the bonuses, they go and buy. You can use this software for it as well. And it is really, really quite cool how they've laid this out. So let me go through the different sections of it right now. First of all, there's the bonus section. Now the bonus section is really cool because it gives you the ability to add your bonuses into a library. So for me, I must have, maybe hundreds of white label products, hundreds of PLR products that I have on offer to give away as bonuses. You've probably seen this as well, and I'm constantly adding to that library. We actually have an Excel spreadsheet where all that information is. And when we need to grab that information, we have to re-add it to my optimized press page, my WordPress page. I have to re-add that information. So say, for example, on this one, the bonuses that were here that were mine, I actually went and grabbed that information from around the web or my database, and I actually added it, okay, from my Excel. I made images in Excel, and I added them here. It was a lot of manual work. This page in itself probably took 1 to 2 hours to actually create. So it does take a bit of time. With this system, you can actually load your bonuses into a library, for example. So I could click here, I can add text about a particular bonus. So one of the bonuses that I offered as a white label recently was VCon Lead. You could actually offer this as a bonus to people that purchase over a certain amount if you got access to that. And you could add information about the bonus. VCon Lead is great. And add more information there. You could bullet point it, and then you can also add an image. So say, for example, I had my VCon lead image. I could then go here. I'm going to upload a image. I'm going to add it in. This is my VCon lead image, and it will be added here. So there we are. So I'll just zoom in a bit. There we are. VCon lead has been added. So I can then save this, and I've got my thanks link here. I can add my thanks link. This automatically generates the thanks link that people will go to after purchasing. And I can basically name this VCon lead extra info. I can put it in a specific category, lead generation bonuses, for example, or I could add a new category or a new niche. I could then change the color of this, and I could upload an image that's associated with this as well. So really cool and easy to use as well. You can then save this, and in future when you want to use this bonus, you've got it in your library. So you can upload all your different bonuses. You could go over to, say, Super Resale, for example. You could grab bonuses off here, add them to your database, fill out all that info, and then use them on the bonus pages you create with the Commission Gorilla system. This is the bonus area here. Now, if I was to create a new page, I can do that, or I can build off a template if I wanted to. So the guys from Commission Gorilla actually gave me a template to build off in this built-in pages. All right, so I was able to click Promote Commission Gorilla, and they actually generated a page for me. Now I've actually cloned that page, and I've deleted the page they gave me because I'm adding quite a few of my own bonuses to this bonus page. One of the most important things about bonus pages is that you want to add your own bonuses. Don't just grab any sort of bonus. Make sure it's really great for your visitors. Okay, if you can make it good for your visitors, then obviously it's a win for everyone. So make sure you put a lot of effort into grabbing bonuses that are going to be really good. So down below, you've got bonuses that I put a lot of thought into that I thought would be really good with this offer. And that's what you should always look to strive to do when you're creating these bonus pages, whether it's for affiliate offers you're promoting over JVZoo, Warrior Forum, ClickBank, or anywhere else. Make sure you're adding a lot of value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and edit one of these pages and show you the different functionality that it has. So this is one that I've custom built. I started off a template, and I've custom built it. It's split up into two editing interfaces. All right, so we've got settings and we've got blocks. You've also got your dashboard here, and you can move items up, you can move them down, you can edit things, you can add images as you want with this system, and it's really easy to use. It's probably one of the most easy site builders that I've actually seen to date. It is very easy to use on this. You can just click something, and you don't have to worry about filling out a form. It's just click, enter, click, enter, click, enter. You can add links, you can add colors, you can change components of it. You can add strike throughs. It's all really quite easy to use. There's also quite a few flexible features. So there's page settings, so we can actually name the page. So in this case, it's my Commission Gorilla page. We're able to add my affiliate link, which will be inserted through all of the different parts of this page. I can add custom codes. So say, for example, if I was using Social Pop with this bonus page as well, I could do that. There's pro features. Now, more information about the pro features is down below on this bonus page, so I'm not going to go into that in this demo, but you can see them down there. Basically, you can add an attention bar, okay, a bar that goes across and grabs attention for someone to click. You can add a exit redirect and a countdown timer as well. The countdown timer is a big one. I use countdown timers in all of my different bonus pages. The reason that I do that is it's really clear. It's easy for people that go to the page to understand what's happening, and it's going to mean that you look more professional in doing that as well. All right, so let's keep going. Now we've got page colors. We can adjust the page colors. These are the page colors that go into the background. I've just left them white, and you've also got your bonus delivery page, the file name for that. So it might be commission gorilla. Thanks. And don't bother trying that URL because I'll have changed it by the time you see it. Obviously, you could get all my bonuses without buying if you knew the URL. So then you've got the different components that you can add in. So you can add a headline if you want to. Really easy. Have you built bonus pages this easily before? So we can add titles, headlines where we want. Again, really easy to edit. We can adjust the size if we want to as well. We can adjust the color, and you're getting the idea about how this kind of works. It really is quite easy. We can adjust the fonts as well, and you can see that we're kind of building this out. Now I'm going to delete that because not the type of look and feel that I'm going for. So we'll go ahead and click this as well. There's a bunch of other components built into here as well. There's spaces, so spaces that give you space between certain components. There's image blocks, right? You can actually add this. You can add an image there. Then you can grab an image from Amazon S3. Now, probably one of the downsides of the software, probably one part that I think would be really quite cool, and it's a feature that I'll be requesting, is that right now you actually have to upload your images somewhere. So you would have to upload your image to Amazon S3, for example, or you'd have to have your image hosted on a particular website. Say, for example, here, you'll see that every image has a link, a URL. You'd actually have to already have your link uploaded somewhere already in order to add it in. See that? I wish they had a way where you could actually upload your images into it, into this page. That's probably just the one downside that I've really seen with this system, is that it would have been really cool if they could do that. So I'm going to make a feature request to ask them to do that, and I'm sure it's something they're considering right now. You can add images, you can add videos, really easy to add videos, and the videos, again, really easy to edit as well. You just click on the video, it'll play, and you can preview it, or if you want, you can add your embed code in here, add the size, you can make it autoplay if you want to. All the details are in there. Now, the bonus block is probably one of the most important components. If we add a bonus block, and then we click to select, you can actually select your bonus. Bang. And your bonus is automatically added into your page. You see how easy that is. So instead of having to manually add these different bonuses all of the time to the system, what you can do is you can have a bunch or a group of bonuses that are always inside of your system, and you can just select those bonuses, meaning that something that may have taken you 1 to 2 hours, like it's taking my team at the moment 1 to 2 hours to create these bonus pages, and for me when I do it manually it's usually about 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes an hour, sometimes 2 hours depending on what it is. That time is saved because you can just select which bonuses you want out of your library. When you get new bonuses, add them to your library, and again, very, very easy. You've got call to action buttons, so buttons that you can customize, and these are buttons that obviously are going to direct people to the affiliate offer or wherever you want people to go to. There might be a part of your bridge page that takes them to your website or somewhere else. You can add countdown timers, all right? Countdown timers that count down the amount of time that's happening for a particular offer. That's actually included in the front end. I didn't realize that. And you've got social sharing. So if you want to engage people with Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter, you want people to share your different pages, you're able to do that very easily through this system. Again, really easy to move things around, really easy to edit anything you want. And when you get in here, even if you have next to no experience, you can start customizing components of this. You can edit the different templates that are already built in. You can add images. As you can see here, I've added a bunch of images and a bunch of text, and you can customize anything in here as you want. So And if you're doing anything relating to affiliate marketing, I highly recommend getting access to Commission Gorilla. It's probably the most complete bonus system that I've seen to date, and I really like that they've actually created this software because it was something that I personally was looking for. I needed. This system's fast, it's easy to use, it makes sense. You can add thank you links, you can add all of that, all of the other details, then you can preview your bonus page if you want to as well, and it's just really easy to use, and it's one of those things, this can save you a lot of time when previously you would have had to do this manually. So I highly recommend going and getting access to this if you're looking for a system, or if you're doing any sort of affiliate marketing or bridge page marketing. This will be a winner. So go down below, get access to the bonuses that I've got down there that'll help you when you're using Commission Gorilla to do more with it, and hopefully add a few bonuses already into Commission Gorilla that you can take and grab and use right from the get-go. So go down below, check out those, and I look forward to hearing from you again soon. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sam Backer, and I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.